What's happening? And I'm back, some bitches. This one is a reaction for Batman Strange Days. And I saw a link to this the other day on Movie Pilot. And I was like, I gotta see a, oh look, I already got some high views. I know this shit's gonna be good. Woo! Solomon Grundy.
Be careful, you fool! I need every drop of her precious blood for my experiment. Now take her inside. I'm nearly ready for... Wait! What's that sound?
Here he comes. I took it way back. He got a propeller on the bat plane. This is way back in time. Yeah, I heard about this coming out, and I was like, I definitely want to catch this. I was trying to set my my DVR to record it, but I couldn't find it. So I don't know if it's not coming on regular TV or what. Yo, he busts him in the head with a big ass rock. Dude grabbed Batman up, he was like, nah, he beating him with a branch. Tell me who this is, y'all. Is it Solomon Grundy? That ought to work.
Stay back, Batman, or she dies!
Hope Kevin Conroy's back doing his voice.
You don't scare me! Stay back!
Alright. Oh well, buddy. Shouldn't have tried to lead a life of evil.
Is it over?
It's over.
For now.
That's him. Kevin Conroy, baby. "75 years of Batman. For now." Magnacites. 1 million subscribers. Woo!